Hey guys, today we gonna discuss about invention of India. There is no doubt about the fact that India has contributed to the world in the field of any subject, right from the discovery of zero by Aryabhatta to the use of flush toilet to another modern technology. We come several inventions and discovery in India which are accepted by everyone all across the globe and for which we should be proud. So let's start with the inventions. Number 1, chess. Chess is the game of intellectuals and it originated as Ashtapada during the Gupta period around the 6th century AD. Number 2, snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladders, originally known as mokshapat. The snakes represents vices while ladders denoted virtues. During the British rule in India, this ancient Indian game made its way to England and later to the USA. Number 3, basmati rice. It is believed to have been cultivated in Indian subcontinent for countries. The earliest extant work to mention basmati rice is Heer Ranjha in 1766. Basmati rice was introduced to the Middle East and Central Asia by Arab and Muslims Indian traders. Number 4, yoga. The significant contribution in the field of healthy living. India introduced the world to yoga, discovered and practiced in the country since ancient times, with origins tracing back to the Lord Shiva, the first yoga guru. Today people practices this spiritual, physical and mental exercise across the world on daily basis for healthy life. All over the world celebrates International Yoga Day on June 21st every year, and the man responsible for this day is none other than Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who initiated the concept of practicing yoga and celebrating it as Yoga Day. Number 5, buttons. You will be surprised to learn that buttons also came from India. Yes, it's true. The origins of button trace back to the Indus Valley civilization in 2000 BCE, some 5000 years ago. They were made up of seashells and formed into geometrical shapes with tiny holes bored into them. In the past, they were used for ornamental purpose, but gradually people started to use them for fastening clothes. Number 6, cataract surgery. This one is other breakthrough in the field of medicine. For cataract surgery, the world can thank Sushruta, an Indian physician who developed this operation in the 3rd century CE. He performed this surgery using a curved needle that loosened the lens and then pushed the cataract into the back of the eye. The surgeon used warm butter to soak the eye and then placed bandage on them until they were healed. This method was successful. However, Sushruta advised everyone to perform this surgery only when necessary. Eventually, this operation was later extended to the West and across the world. While it may seem unbelievable, but it's true. Number 7, natural fibers. The products made from natural fibers such as jute, cotton and wool have their origins in India. The finest wool, Kashmir wool, came from Kashmir region of India and was used for making woolen shawls. The country also pioneered jute and cotton cultivation. The inhabitants of the Indus Valley civilization grew cotton during the 5th millennium and 4th millennium BCE and converted the cotton into threads, which later used in fabrics. Also, since ancient times, India has been growing jute and exporting raw jute to the West. Number 8. Zero. Biggest and the most important contribution to the history of mathematics was zero, which is literally nothing, but without it there would have been no binary system and subsequently no computers. And who gave the world this numeral? All thanks need to go to the man of numerous mathematical and astronomical talents, Aryabhatta. Indians were the first one who used zero as symbol and the mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, etc. Number 9. Ayurveda. If you have ever undergone Ayurvedic therapy, you ever got to thank India for it, or more precisely, the father of medicine, Charka, who was one of the prime contributor to Ayurveda. Ayurveda means science of life. It is a traditional school of medicine invented and practiced in India for over 5,000 years and helps people again good health and living without the use of prescription drugs. This ancient system of medicine has persisted even in 21st century, and in recent years it has gained popularity across the world as a complementary and alternative medicine. Number 10. USB, Universal Serial Bus. A man with many accolades under his belt, Vijay V. Bhatt, an Indian-American computer architect, made the USB, a little removable storage device that is capable of holding a large chunk of data, storage and transfer. Plus, it is easy to carry and use. Number 11. Wireless communication. This invention revolutionized the way we communicate, while historians credit Guglielmo Marconi with invention the wireless radio communication. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose was actually the first person who demonstrated the use of radio waves for communication publicly back in 1895. Exactly 2 years before, Marconi gave a similar demo in England. In other words, Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose invented wireless communication technology which enables people to communicate quickly and transmit information over the distance without the need of electrical conductors, wires or cables. Number 12. Martial arts. Bruce Lee is what rings in your eyes when you hear about martial arts. But you will be surprised to know that martial arts were first created and practiced in India and then later spread in China and then to the world by Buddhist missionaries. Number 13. Trigonometry. The term trigonometry was derived from Sanskrit. Trigonometry, if broke up in derived from tri means 3 plus kona angle plus miti means parameter. Sine and cosine are also found from ja and kotija of Sanskrit. Number 14. Quadratic equations. Not many know that quadratic equations find its roots in India. The formula of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 was first given by Sridharacharya in 10th century. Number 15. Place value system and decimal system. Yes, the credit of inventing place value system and decimal system also goes to India. It was a brainwork of Indian scholars as the system were developed in India way back in 100 BC. Number 16. Pi and Pythagorean theorem. Long before the European mathematician, Indian mathematician Budhayana calculated the value of pi. Budhanaya is also credited with the discovery of Pythagorean theorem. Budhanaya explained the concept in 6th century. Number 17. Time taken to orbit the sun. Surprised? You got to be. It's a rare known fact that time to orbit the sun was first and rightly calculated by Bhaskaracharya 100 years ago before the European scientists would find. According to the Bhaskaracharya, the time taken to orbit the sun was 365.25875648 days. Number 18. Navigation. The art of navigation was born centuries ago near the river Sindh. The word navigation is also derived from Sanskrit word Navgati. Number 19. World's first granite temple. Bindahareshwar temple at Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu is the world's first granite temple. The shikhara of the temple is made up of a single piece of granite weighing 80 tons. The magnificent temple was built only in 5 years. Number 20. Cricket ground. Indians are also credited to build the world's highest cricket ground. The ground at Chel in Himachal Pradesh was built in 1893 and the cricket pitch is reportedly 2,444 meters above sea level. Number 21. Power values. Indians use number as big as 10 raised to 53. That is 10 to the power of 53 with specific names as early as 5000 BC. The largest numbers the Greek and Romans used were 106. Even today the largest number is tera. Number 22. World's first university. India gave the world's first university Takshashila University. As early as 700 BC, there exists a giant university at Takshashila, located in the northwest region of India. It had 300 lecture halls, laboratories, a library, and a towering observatory for astronomical research. A Chinese traveler wrote in his diary that it had 10,000 students and 200 professors. Number 23. Stereoscograph. Stereoscograph is an Indian invention. It is a device of measuring growth in plants and was invented in early 20th century by Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. Number 24. Crystalline sugar. The process of producing crystalline sugar from sugarcane was discovered by the time of Emperor Guptas. And the earliest reference of crystalline sugar comes from India. The process was soon transmitted to China with traveling Buddhist monks. Chinese government confirmed 2 missions to India for obtaining technology for sugar refining. Number 25. Ruler. Rulers were first used by Indus Valley civilization to 1500 BCE. Made of ivory, the rulers found during excavation reveal the amazing accuracy of decimal subdivisions on it. Number 26. Diamond mining. Worldwide, India was the only source of diamonds until the discovery of mines in Brazil in 18th century. Almost 5,000 years ago, diamonds were first recognized and mined in central India. Number 27. Water on Moon. ISRO's Chandrayaan first made the startling discovery that our moon is not a dry ball of rocks. The discovery of lunar water is attributed to the Chandrayaan mission. Number 28. Flush toilet. Flush toilets were first used in Indus Valley civilization. This existed in the most homes and were connected to a sophisticated savage mechanism. The civilization was prominent in hydraulic engineering. Number 29, ink. Many Asian cultures and civilizations independently discovered and prepared ink for writing purpose. The source of carbon pigment used in Indian ink used in ancient India was India. Since 4th century BC, the practice of writing with ink with a sharp pointed needle was common in South India. Number 30, steel and metal works. Ancient India were specialized in metallurgy. High quality steel were produced almost 2000 years before it was understood by the West. One of the most remarkable feats in metallurgy, creating a seamless celestial globe, was invented in Kashmir. It was earlier considered impossible to create metal globe without seams. So thanks to India, Iron Man can wear his suit now. Number 31, rockets. It was in 1780s Tipu Sultan, ruler of South India Kingdom of Mysore, and his father Hyder Ali made use of iron-cased and metal cylinder rockets against the large British East India Company force during the Anglo-Mysore Wars. So the first invention of rocket started in India.